10 Hidden Secrets for Senior Citizens, Airline Perks You Didn't Know About. Welcome aboard. Today, we're counting down 10 hidden airline perks for senior citizens that most folks never hear about. If you remember the days when flying meant legroom galore and free peanuts, don't worry. Modern travel still has some surprises in store just for you. Before we take off, please hit that like button and subscribe for more travel tips. And feel free to comment with your own travel secrets. We'd love to hear your stories. Seniors are a huge part of the travel world. In fact, adults over 60 made up nearly 37% of travelers in 2023. With so many older adults jet-setting to see grandkids or explore the globe, airlines have quietly introduced special perks to make the journey easier and cheaper. Let's unveil these secrets, counting down from number 10 to number 1. Stay tuned for our number 1 perk. It can literally save you hundreds on airfare, in-flight assistance, and special requests. Ever struggled to wrestle your carry-on into the overhead bin or open that pesky peanut packet? As a senior, you don't have to go it alone. Flight attendants are actually happy to help you with in-flight needs. It's part of their job. Airlines are required by law to assist passengers who need a hand, and crew members will help stow and retrieve your bags, bring you water, and even open snacks or meal packaging for you if you ask nicely. So if your hands aren't as nimble as they used to be, ring that call button with confidence. Here's another little-known perk: special meals at no extra cost. Do you have dietary restrictions like low sodium or diabetic-friendly diets? Most airlines offer a range of special meals, from low cholesterol to gluten-free, for free. You just need to request it ahead of time when booking, or a few days before the flight. It's a lifesaver for health-conscious seniors who want to avoid overly salty or sugary airline food. The key takeaway? Don't be shy about asking for help or accommodations. As one travel expert puts it, airlines today strive to make sure people of all ages can enjoy traveling, providing tips and assistance, especially for older travelers. So go ahead, ask for that extra pillow or help with your suitcase. These small perks can make your flight much more comfortable, and they're there for the asking. Now that you know the crew's got your back in the sky, let's talk about a perk on the ground that most seniors don't realize they can use. 9. Family Escort Pass to your gate. Remember the good old days when loved ones could walk right up to the gate with you? Well, here's a hidden gem. Airlines will issue a special gate pass to an escort, so your family member or friend can accompany you through security and all the way to your gate. They don't even need a flight ticket. All they have to do is show a valid ID at the check-in counter and request an escort or gate pass to help you. This pass lets one person, sorry, not the whole extended family, go through the TSA checkpoint with you and make sure you get settled at the gate safely. This perk is especially useful if you feel a bit unsteady in busy airports, or if you just want a loved one's company until you board. For example, your adult child can help carry your bags, navigate the terminal, or just keep you company while waiting for boarding. Many seniors don't know this is even possible. It's like having your own personal assistant for those pre-flight moments. And yes, it's totally allowed. In fact, US regulations require airports to accommodate escort passes in situations like these. Caregiver resources emphasize that you can be accompanied to your gate by a family member or friend, as long as they obtain the pass at the ticket counter. It's a free service. Just be sure to arrive a bit early to request the pass and go through security together. The next time you're flying solo, remember this secret perk. A familiar arm to lean on can take away a lot of the stress of airport travel. Now, speaking of getting through the airport with less stress, our next perk will literally give you a wheels-up advantage. 8. Free wheelchair and airport cart services. Airports these days are like small cities, miles of terminals, endless corridors. It can be a workout even for a youngster. But seniors have a secret weapon: complimentary wheelchair and cart assistance. Every airline is required to provide wheelchair services for passengers who need help moving through the airport. That means if you have trouble walking long distances or just want to save your energy, you can request a wheelchair when you book your ticket, or even at the airport check-in desk. An airport staff member will whisk you through the airport, right to your gate, and even to baggage claim if needed. No charge, no hassle. Not a wheelchair user? How about those electric carts that zip around? Many larger airports offer golf cart shuttles to help seniors and people with mobility issues cover long distances. If you see one, feel free to wave it down or ask an airport staffer. They're usually happy to give you a lift. As one caregiver support site noted, golf carts and wheelchair services are available free of charge to transport seniors who have difficulty with long distances. It sure beats running to your gate. And don't worry about your personal wheelchair or walker if you use one. Airlines will transport your own mobility devices for free. For instance, United Airlines states that it's free to check a wheelchair, scooter, or walker in addition to your checked bags. They'll even let you use your wheelchair right up to the plane door and gate check it, so it's returned to you immediately after landing. This is a huge perk that can save you money, no baggage fees for medical equipment, and give you peace of mind that your mobility aid is handled with care. 7. Priority. Boarding. Just ask for extra time. Tired of the mad rush during boarding? Here's a senior secret. You can board early if you simply need a little extra time or assistance. Most airlines offer priority or pre-boarding for elderly passengers or anyone who needs more time to get down the jetway. It's usually not advertised loudly, but before general boarding, you'll often hear an announcement like, "We'd like to invite anyone needing extra time or assistance to begin boarding now." That's your cue. Airlines are actually required to make pre-boarding available to folks who need it. They can't refuse if you request it. So if you walk a bit slower or could use a head start finding your seat, inform the gate agent. For example, American Airlines explicitly advises senior travelers, request early boarding with the gate agent if you need extra time or assistance boarding. You don't have to have a wheelchair or special device. Sometimes just being a bit less agile than a 30-year-old is reason enough. Think of it as VIP boarding without the first-class ticket. By pre-boarding, you can take your time going down the aisle, get help stowing your carry-on if needed, and settle in without the pressure of a line of people behind you. No need to feel self-conscious. Plenty of folks use this perk. The best part? Early boarding means empty overhead bins and a calm aircraft, so you can make yourself comfortable. It's a stress-free start to your flight, so go ahead and take the airline up on this offer. It's there to ensure you're comfortable. We've handled boarding, but what about getting through those nerve-wracking security lines? Don't worry, our next two secrets have you covered, making airport security much kinder to seniors. 6. TSA's easier screening rules for ages 75 plus. Security checkpoints can be a chore, shoes off, jackets off, hurry up and refill your water later. But if you're 75 or older, TSA offers you a bit of a break. Senior 75 plus get some expedited screening privileges even if you don't have TSA PreCheck. That means you can keep your shoes and a light jacket on during the routine screening. No more awkward bending to untie shoes or getting cold without your sweater. Here's how it works. When you reach the ID check, the TSA officer usually can tell, or you can mention, that you qualify for the 75 plus policy. They'll direct you through the standard screening, but won't ask you to remove shoes, wash jacket. If you do trigger the metal detector, you might get a quick secondary check, a pat-down, or scan. But even then, TSA agents will accommodate you. For instance, you can request to be seated during a pat-down if standing is difficult. The TSA highlights that this risk-based screening for 75 plus helps them focus resources while giving seniors a smoother experience. So essentially, you've earned a keep your shoes on pass, a little perk of wisdom and age. Many senior travelers don't realize this and go through the motions unnecessarily. Next time, breeze through with your comfy sneakers still on your feet. And remember, if an agent forgets and asks for your shoes or jacket, it's okay to politely mention the age exemption. They'll usually acknowledge it and let you continue. Little conveniences like this can make airport security much less of a hassle, but what if you could get even more help? Like a personal guide through security. That brings us to perhaps the ultimate TSA perk for seniors and others who need assistance. 5. TSA Cares. VIP assistance through security. This one is a game changer, yet so few people know about it. TSA Cares is a program that provides personalized assistance at airport security for travelers with disabilities, medical conditions, or other special circumstances. And that absolutely includes many seniors. Essentially, you can call the TSA Cares hotline 72 hours before your flight, that's 3 days ahead, and request a passenger support specialist. What does that mean? Picture having a dedicated TSA staff member at the checkpoint who knows your needs and helps you through the process. They can walk you through the shortest lines, explain the procedures, assist with putting your items on the belt, and ensure the screening is as smooth as possible. It's like having a security concierge. TSA's official word is that the program is there to ensure a smooth screening experience for those who need extra help. For example, if you use a walker or insulin pump, or you're just anxious about the screening, TSA Cares can arrange for someone to meet you when you arrive at the checkpoint. According to senior travel guides, all you need to do is call and explain your situation, and they'll coordinate the assistance and even answer any questions about what to expect. Many seniors say this service gave them peace of mind. No more feeling rushed or confused at security. Think of it as VIP fast track for the golden aged. It costs nothing, and it's available at most major airports. One travel expert noted that simply knowing a TSA agent is ready to help can take a huge weight off your shoulders, turning the worst part of flying into a minor blip. So if you're fretting about airport security, remember, TSA Cares 855-787-2227. Truly a hidden gem, not just for seniors, but anyone who could use a friendly hand at the checkpoint. Mid-video call to action. If these tips are helpful, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more insider travel secrets. Have you ever used any of these perks? Drop a comment and let us know your experience or any other senior travel tip we might have missed. 4. Free perks for medical needs, baggage, and beyond. Many travelers don't realize that airlines quietly offer added baggage allowances and flexibility for medical needs, especially helpful for seniors. Medical devices like CPAP machines, portable oxygen concentrators, and mobility aids don't count toward your luggage limits and can be checked or brought on board free of charge per FAA and Department of Transportation rules. TSA also makes exceptions for medical supplies. You can carry liquid medications or nutrition drinks over the 3.4-ounce limit if you declare them at security. Hypodermic needles for diabetes are also allowed with the proper medication. To avoid issues, keep everything labeled and inform TSA officers. Airlines also provide flexible storage options. Wheelchairs and walkers can be gate checked, and folding canes or crutches may be stored in the cabin. Flight attendants will stow items and return them promptly upon landing. It helps to inform the airline ahead of time so they can prepare accommodations. In case of illness, some airlines may waive cancellation or change fees with a doctor's note. While not widely advertised, travelers have shared experiences where fees were refunded due to unexpected medical issues. These travel perks can ease the stress of flying with health concerns. With a bit of preparation and communication, airlines often go the extra mile to assist. And this is just the beginning. Stay tuned for more insider tips, including lesser-known airline discounts that can lead to big savings. 3. Compassionate policies, medical waivers, and bereavement fares. Life's unexpected events, like illness or the loss of a loved one, can disrupt travel plans, especially for older adults. Fortunately, many airlines offer compassionate policies to ease the burden, though these are often unadvertised. Bereavement fares, for example, are discounted tickets for last-minute travel due to a death or critical illness in the family. While not widely available, some airlines like Delta, Air Canada, and WestJet still offer them if you call directly. These fares typically provide 5% to 25% off, more flexible booking, and waived advance purchase requirements, though documentation, such as hospital or funeral home details, may be required. The savings can be significant, particularly when last-minute fares are expensive. Beyond discounts, airlines may prioritize bereavement travelers on standby or assist with fully booked flights. These accommodations are rarely mentioned online, so calling the airline is essential. Airlines also show flexibility for medical emergencies. If you or your spouse fall ill and can't travel, many carriers will waive change fees or offer refunds or credit, especially with a doctor's note. Each airline's policy varies, but compassion often plays a role in these cases. Being aware of these lesser-known policies can relieve financial stress during difficult times. While not promoted, these compassionate options exist and can make unexpected travel more manageable. Up next, 2 major hidden airline perks that could save senior travelers even more money. 2. AARP and membership perks, hidden flight discounts. If you're 50 or older, chances are you're eligible for AARP, and that membership can unlock surprising airline savings. While AARP is known for hotel and insurance deals, Its travel perks include significant discounts on flights, especially with British Airways. AARP members get $65 off round-trip economy or premium economy flights, and a generous $200 off business class fares on British Airways transatlantic routes. Just book through the AARP/BA portal to access these savings, which can be stacked with existing sale fares. Even younger travelers can join AARP to access these benefits, making the low annual fee, around $16, well worth it, especially for international travelers. Additional perks come through the AARP Travel Center. Powered by Expedia, members receive a $50 gift card for each flight, plus hotel package booked. That's extra money for dining or excursions when planning trips like cruises or Alaskan getaways. AARP also occasionally offers bonus miles or small discounts with select airlines, so checking their travel deals page before booking is a smart move. Experts say the value here is real. CNN has highlighted the British Airways discount as a standout offer that can quickly pay for the cost of membership. Beyond flights, AARP members can also save on guided tours, cruises, and car rentals. In short, AARP's travel benefits are a hidden gem, especially for seniors. And if you think that's impressive, stay tuned. The #1 airline perk for senior travelers is coming up next, and it's a big one. 1. Secret Senior Airfare. Discounts on major airlines. The #1 hidden perk for senior travelers. Unadvertised senior airfare discounts on major airlines. While rarely promoted, carriers like American Airlines, Delta, and United still offer reduced fares for passengers aged 65 and older. These deals can save travelers 5% to 50%, depending on the route and airline, especially on select international flights. For instance, American offers seniors steep discounts on flights from some Latin American countries due to local regulations. These fares won't show up on travel sites like Expedia or Kayak. To access them, you typically need to book directly through the airline's website using the senior category or call customer service. United, for example, includes senior fares if you select seniors, 65+, when booking online. Delta requires a phone call, and their agents can search for lower fare codes. American's website also supports senior fare searches on select routes. Savings can be significant. At one point, a senior fare on Southwest from Dallas to LA was nearly $200 cheaper than the standard fare. Although Southwest ended its senior discounts in 2019, other airlines still honor them. Some even include perks like flexible cancellation policies and reduced change fees. CNN confirms these discounts often require age verification and may have route or date restrictions. The bottom line, always ask. A simple question, do you offer a senior fare, could unlock serious savings. And with that, you now know the top 10 hidden airline perks for seniors, designed to save you money and reduce travel stress. Safe travels.